Started from nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe, they thought we was bluffing. You get what you give, I gave it my all, now we in the running. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. Started from nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe, they thought we was bluffing. You get what you give, I gave it my all, now we in the running. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. Yeah. You get what you give, it is what it is. Don't want you to win, it don't make no sense. Don't pay it on mine, I'm mine on my biz, I'm mine on mine. They wonder why, after flipping sides, we not out of eye. I wonder why. Whole lot of friends, they came and they went. Whole lot of money I put up and spent. When I was down, they not to be found. But catch a little buzz, they right back again. Right back again. Pull the toes, right to the brim. This for them. Started from nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe, they thought we was bluffing. You get what you give, I gave it my all, now we in the running. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. Started from nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe, they thought we was bluffing. You get what you give, I gave it my all, now we in the running. I did it, I did. I did it, I did. I did, I did.
Boasy Nation, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, today is Saturday. Today was June 21st. And we actually have a football tournament in Mandeville. It's biker related. I think it's held by Jamaica National Helmet Wearing Coalition. I think it's them putting it on. So it's a tournament with we versus other motorcycle clubs. So I head down there. I mean, 4 wheels because the triple is sold. People are no longer own the triple. Don't get back a bike yet. I have something in the pipeline, but not reach Jamaica yet. See, so we're in a 4-wheel, and I use the opportunity to try to do the vlog a little different, get some rollers, get some, in-car footage, and we still have a splice it in with the BOASY Biker POV, them Mish, Pepper, KIPPO. KIPPO have a new camera set up too, so that should be interesting. And yeah, that's that people. Hopefully a little bit so I can keep up with the bike, then we can get on as much rollers from the car as possible, and some nice cinematics and some montage. See? That like, share and subscribe, Boasy Nation. Welcome back to the channel. That is it. Hope and enjoy this. Carry who? So you left it? Yeah. Are you fine? Yeah.
No, Papa. Was.
Yeah, YouTube, we reached Fesco. Now, Lingana car for drop Pablo youth them a Spanish town. So I try to drop them fast and then meet them back. Meet them back on the road, see if we can get the road of them soon. I do the best we can, but the time in I throw off everything. Top shot I just reached. Show them what I go on quickly YouTube and I hit the road. Yes, sir. Big up.
Gentlemen, me here supposed to bikers buy a baller from Argentina, you know.
Why the man a lie up? What?
Eh?
Are your brother them always tell you everything, you man?
I'm here so them import a baller where them ride a bike. See him over there, so?
All the phone ball them ride?
Eh?
All the football of them right back there?
Yes, man.
Okay, alright. Just make sure, you know. Just make sure.
Yeah, them have a little problem. I think we've ever discussed before.
Yeah, the blood thing good. Boss. Eh? Fit good, man. Fit good. Fit bossy. I want to tell you now how I do this thing, you know, brother. May I lead it? May I in front of you, sir? Yo, Pablo! Pablo! Read him up, read him up.
Who's there?
There it is.
That is it.
Boss.
Bossy.
Pull up behind the button. Yeah, Bossy Nation, this is Fuckerman Shane here. Shane from St. Thomas Bikers. Big up yourself. Bossy Nation, don't feel no way, you know. A whole heap of bike up on the ride out there, man. Nah, like, we're gonna count it. Probably about 30 bike. 30 big bike. One ride out. Big up Jamaica National Helmet Wearing Coalition. Them alone I can see bring out them numbers here. But we'll kick off the ball game now, you know. Yeah. Too much lay. We'll kick off the badness right now. Father me shot them.
Now record. Come on.
Respect. Yeah, I'm BOASY Bikers, YouTube. Alright, look at the man kick off the badness. Alright, people, right, so we have Mish, KIPPO and Pepperman at it fastly. Boy, Pepper the man them dash you fast, my boy. boy Shane. So shot boy on camera yacht. Me, you know, you slow down in the fast lane and make Shane pull up, brother, and keep on go for busting it. Cause pull up the center. And that him I gonna use as excuse tomorrow in a new dimension, you know, brother. Judge, God, I look like KIPPO couldn't stop you so a while ago. I tell you on YouTube, you can't knock it come round them corner, you know, because you're bound to buck up in the traffic at the toll booth. Whenever you approach the toll booth, just cut the speed, yeah, man.
Huh?
Yeah, Bossy Nation, finally reached a toll booth. Traffic kill we. Because we're on a bike and we're in a vehicle as me I do the rollers them, so I have to join the line. Police they come and escort we through at one point when Jay did reach up, but boy, may I tell you, rough to keep up with the bike then. Anyway, reach a toll booth and now I link up with them, get some more video, see what I go on. When I think about the run them so far, I see Misha and KIPPO at it. I see St. Thomas Bikers them at it. Banglins look good, people. You ready now? Yo, hurry up and I stay here so the whole. Charge your badness are show now it's done on one wheel. YouTube and see what I do in the angle, see what I put in the work. Uncle Max people them want to know when the wheelie class them are starting on my G. Alright people, that is Mickey from Real Riders on a brand new Bimmer. Yeah man, have a look at boss in a minute. You see me enjoying the Bimmer crew? Yeah, I see you my run up top. Rascal, I make proper get to you now, in a trouble. Alright, father, me put on him time, throw one on the board. Go see what's coming up next. I really wave. KIPPO just wave me off a while ago at 290. Jaja God. Well, people, there you have it, New national land speed record by the great KIPPO, aka Kipling. Yeah, man, is a bossy man, do that. See? No matter what go on now, when I see on the media, we first to do that, yeah? KIPPO Dan, big up yourself. Big up Mickey from Real Riders too. Yeah, man, boy, can move. Boss Nation, I feel no way, Remember, say numbers them say them want to see, Captain go 307. And now we go 310. Them have to do that and beat with people. Bossy. That is it.
Bossy, we let's go, Ramadan. Ramadan. Go on. Who that? Jack Sparrow. What Sparrow?
Saya nak bin tonight tu. Dia buat tonight tu deh.
Bye bala, ma. Bye bala. Boss.
Boy, Khalil, you're quiet the whole ball game. See what you're going with. No, I don't see you up top, my boy. What going? See what you're dealing with that stuff. Why them two big man at it from here? Boasy Nation, that is it. We'll close out the vlog right here, so remember to like, share and subscribe, people. I know this one was a banger. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like the multiple POVs and the car footage and the rollers and the whole heap of work put in. I'm hoping you enjoyed. Remember to leave a like on the video, leave a comment. That is it, people. Part 2, I jump right in the banglings again and then jump into the football badminton scene. Boasy Bikers, I hit, we out.